In a bid to save money, we've seen that people are swapping regular laundry detergent for cheaper products like washing up liquid and shower gel.
But is this actually effective at cleaning clothes? And more importantly, is it safe? We decided to test these hacks in a lab to find out. When we swapped detergent for washing up liquid in a lab, it scored just 1 out of a possible 5 points for removing olive oil, blood, lanolin, tea and wine stains from clothing.
And when we spoke to the British Skin Foundation about it, they told us that most washing up liquids contain chemicals that can aggravate our skin and leave it inflamed and prone to cracking. And skin that's cracked is then more vulnerable to further irritation, so definitely avoid this hack.
Using shower gel in place of laundry detergent was also really bad at removing stains in the lab.
And the British Skin Foundation said that shower gel won't actually remove dirt or bacteria that's deep within the fibres of clothes. Over time, this could cause body acne or contact dermatitis.
Although we know that baking soda is usually good at spot treating stains, adding a big scoop to your washing machine, like some people have recommended, could cause skin irritations like underarm rashes, redness and burning. So again, it's best avoided. There's also another trend that's doing the rounds on TikTok, where people mix different detergents and powders into a paste with their hands. This is usually done for fun or ASMR rather than to save money. But the British Skin Foundation said there are loads of reasons why you shouldn't do this.
The products contain preservatives, fragrances, dyes, acids and other chemicals that aren't suitable for direct contact with your skin.
So mixing this with your bare hands could cause an itchy red rash with blisters, especially if you already have sensitive skin or eczema. And if you add detergents together like this, you could end up with more chemicals on your clothes than is recommended.
If you want to genuinely save money on your laundry costs, we recommend washing at a lower temperature. 20 or 30 degrees is usually fine if your clothes aren't that dirty. Also, avoid running the machine repeatedly for small loads if you can. Wait until you've got a larger load to wash. Don't use more detergent than you need. And finally, choose the right type of detergent and the right brand. You can see which ones we recommend in our reviews.
For more household hacks you can trust, click the link on screen to sign up to our weekly Scoop newsletter. It's packed with cleaning tricks and money-saving tips and is completely free. Check out the video below for some surprising uses for laundry detergent, and for more video content like this, hit subscribe.